Okay, my dear students, are here during the corona pandemic worldwide, where very long day were far away from you, and in this time we couldn't meet in our class to fill up the gap of academic education. The government has taken a great initiative to continue online class. Through the virtual platform, we have come each other very close, and if we try to utilize this virtual platform, we can be benefited. So, my dear students, I hope you will visit our classes and try to get something from these classes. I am Mr. Jahidul Islam, English. I will take English second paper of Alim second year. I hope you are okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. We will discuss the chapter of transformation. Formerly, we have discussed about this chapter various times. I hope you are practicing that at home. Think that complex sentence is a function of formatting or making sentences complex, simple, compound. This is the function of making sentence. Now we are going to change how to change complex to simple. We think that complex sentence has two parts or three parts. One part is principal clause, one part is subordinate clause. If we see that complex sentence has since, at, in complex sentence, we can change this sentence by using simply present participle. Such as, if we see that since the weather was very cold, we could not go. Simple. See, my dear students, that this sentence is complex sentence. Here, the complex sentence is related by since. If we see that the complex sentence is by the since, we have to change it by using present participle. Present participle. In that case, we can use it from at the first verb. See, the weather being very cold, we could not go. This is the format. In this way, we can change complex sentence to simple. We can give another example. can give another example. Our English class is as much as oral, as much as functional. So we have to write various times. As I forgot him, as I forgot him, I went out. As I forgot him, I went out. Here we can use present participle in the first verb, forgetting him. I went out. If we give example, we can give various example. You have to see, you have to practice in your exercise book at home. In this way, we can give another example of scenes from complex to simple, such as when to talk. There are many sentences with when. If we change these when from complex to simple, we have to use because of or simply preposition. If we see when in the complex sentence, if we see in the when in the complex sentence, we can use simply preposition or at the time of or during, etc., etc. We can see, I am reading, when it is spring, when it is spring, Kako sings. In this sentence, we see that there is when in the complex sentence. We can make it simple by using simple preposition during or in. In spring, the Kaku. In spring, the Kaku. Here we can see that it was complex when it is spring, the Kaku sings. We make it simple by using simple preposition in. In spring, the Kako sings. In this way, we can change complex sentence into simple. When. There are another example of when, such as when it was raining, he woke up. If we see that when is used periodical time, we have to use at the time of, such as I am writing the example, when it was raining, we went out. Except it was a continuous tense, past continuous. If the time was periodical, then we have to use at the time of. In this case, when if we see that when is used for sometimes, then we have to use at the time of. At the time of raining, first sentence using present participle in the verb, and then we went out. We have to use first present participle in the first verb and then the second sentence, second phrase. In this way, we have to use at the time of, we can use at the time of in various sentences. If we see that when is used for past continuous tense or periodical time, we can use at the time of, or if we see when is used for definite time, We can use another example. When is used for definite time, we have to use simple at, in, on, etc. etc. I am giving another example. When it was 1971, Bangladesh got independence. Here you can see that when used for simply for a definite time, year 1971 is a memorable year because in that year Bangladesh became independent. In that case, we have to use the preposition in. In 1971, in the first place, only in 1971, and we have to use the second phrase. So, dear students, you have to follow the rules and make many practices of the given sentences in your exercise book. In this way, we can make a complex sentence into simple. We are going another role of complex to simple of if. There are many complex sentence using if conditional. As usually we call them if conditional. If we see that the complex sentence has been used if, this sentence is called if conditional. If conditional. When we will see that the complex sentence has been used if, then we have to make them simple by plus gerund, by using by plus gerund. If conditional, if the sentence is negative, then we have to use without plus gerund. If the sentence is affirmative, we have to use by plus gerund. Such as I am giving another example of if conditional. If you come, I will go. Here we can see that if condition is affirmative, here we have to use by plus gerund. Here we have to use by plus gerund. We are giving another example. If you work hard, you will gain in life. You can see that here the complex sentence has been used if conditional, and this sentence is affirmative. We have to use to make it simple by plus gerund. In this case, we have to make the sentence by working hard, you will gain in life. By working hard, you will gain in life. And if the sentence we make it negative, if you do not work hard, you will not gain in life. In that case, we have to use without plus gerund. Without plus gerund. Such as, if you do not work in life, you will not prosper in life, you will not gain in life. Then we have to make the sentence simple. Without working hard, you will not gain in life. Or if we use the first sentence, if you do not come, I will not go. Without your coming, I will not go. In this way, if conditional sentences are made simple by using if by plus gerund or without plus gerund. There are many roles of making complex sentence to simple. We have discussed when yukta, we have discussed if conditional, we have discussed since as. Here you can see another sentence we will see another sentence that because. If we see that because has been used in the complex sentence, these sentences will be made simple by using because of. I didn't go there because I was ill. Now we see that in this complex sentence, because has been used to join the both phrases. In this case, we have to use because of prepositional phrase to make this sentence simple. And in this case, if the related clause or conjunction is used in the middle of the sentence, then we will firstly write the first clause of the sentences without changing. I didn't go there. Then I have to write because of, and second sentence says subject said positive because of my, and adjective noun. Here we see that I have used because of. In this way, we will get many sentences, many complex sentences such as since, because, as. This sentence we can make simple by using because of. Orally, I am telling another sentences. Since you are small, he couldn't work hard. Here we can see that since has been used in the first of the sentence, and if we make the sentence simple, in this case, I have to use because of in the first of the sentence. Because of being small. Because of being small, he couldn't work hard. In this way, we can make complex sentence into simple by using because of. Before making complex to simple, we have to learn the use of because of participle. I hope that you have studied well participle, gerund, infinitive, or prepositional phrases, and if you have learned them, you will understand my lecture. You will understand my lecture. I am going to the conclusion by giving you another example of complex to simple though. If we see that though has been used in complex sentence, we have to make them simple by using in spite of. Simply, I am giving another example, only one, though although. If we see that though although has been used in the complex sentence, we have to use in spite of to make them simple. Though I was ill, I visited the place. Here we see that though to make the sentence complex, if we see that though in the complex sentence, we have to make them simple by using in spite of. Where in spite of we will use in spite of where the position of the word though. In spite of my illness. And the second phrase of the sentence will be written as usual. I visited the place. You know that though and although, they are the same meaning. If we see though, then we use in spite of. If we see although, in this case, we also can use in spite of. Dear students, our lecture is not sufficient if you don't practice at home. We hope that If you feel any embarrassment to understand my lecture, you can call me through mobile phone, cell phone, or you can get help by coming in our dear campus and get help from us, LEAP. Besides, in this virtual platform, we hope that you will visit our lectures and get benefited by these online classes. So, dear students, I hope that we hope you will get the benefit and continue your academic education at home. Keep well by the grace of Allah. Allah Hafiz.